Time for another Ghetto Mama mukbang. Boom, mukbang. Anyway, still got leftovers here, and I'm not into the pie, but this is just as bad as stump salad. This is cottage cheese, pineapple, Cool Whip, me marshmallows. Yep, and over here, this is like a little couple tablespoons of store-bought potato salad with 2 deviled egg halves smashed up in it. And it's my lunchtime. So this is what I'm having. Actually, this tastes pretty good. It's Reasoner's potato salad. And like I say, I smashed up a couple of deviled egg halves in here. I don't know about low carb, so everybody else is going to go out to eat today, and I'm broke, and I'm on a diet, so when we go out to eat, I'm probably just going to get something to drink, because God, I'm spitting, because I really do want to get out of the house for a few minutes. It's so nice outside. I stepped on the scale this morning and it said 308, from 306 to 308. But that ham is really salty. And I really don't know if somebody can gain 2 pounds or a pound in a couple days. I don't know. I kind of really don't think it's possible. It might be, but I don't know. So I hope not. I hope it's just like water weight. So today I'm going to go on a freezing spree with the leftovers. Don't really have that much left, but a bunch of ham. Lots of this stuff. I don't know. Everybody wanted me to make it. Now nobody's eating it. I mean, it's got lots of protein in it. It's cottage cheese. That's the main thing in it. I have a video that shows me making it. So, you know, this dieting stuff is for the birds, I tell you. And I'm sitting here eating this thinking, every bite, I'm probably messing up my diet, but I don't know what to do because this is the food that I have. It's too short to me getting paid again. And this is what I have, so I don't really have too much of a choice except for to eat like little microscopic plates. I think this was like a half a cup of this stuff, and like I say, this was a couple of tablespoons of the Reasoner macaroni, potato salad. And the 2 deviled egg halves. So I really feel that I didn't, like, you know, overdo it on the portions. But even this, like, potato salad's, like, really salty to me. Everything has been, like, really salty this whole Thanksgiving dinner. I think tomorrow when I'm going to cook, see, today I have to divide the ham up into some like little bags. I think tomorrow I'll make some potato soup for the people that can eat carbs, and for me, I'll do a can of green beans and some ham in it. Maybe some chicken broth, make me a little bowl of green bean ham soup or something, I don't know. I have a nice bag of lima beans. I need to look out and see how many carbs are on it. Maybe I'll do lima beans and ham. Maybe it's something I can eat, and I love ham and lima beans. But I have this feeling, because lentils and beans are full of carbs, and these will probably be big carbo bombs too, and I don't need the carbs. And my beverage is a Diet Mountain Dew in my black 7-Eleven cup. Anyway, just wanted to stop in and say hi. It's Sunday. I'm still working on my Soulful Sunday on my other channel for Leslie Singh. But I just haven't had a chance to do my filming yet. But I will. I will get it up today. Probably more likely this evening. So, I'm going to let you go. And I'm glad that you've visited me for lunch. And I will see you guys later.